Hi, it's Daisy from mywidowedheart.com. Today I want to make some memorial stones that I'm going to put at the gravesite. For this project you're going to need some rocks. I got these from Lowe's. You can also get them from craft stores, or you can just collect them outside. You'll need a paint marker. I've read that if you were to use just a regular Sharpie, it might smudge when you put the sealer on. So I got this paint marker from Walmart. It wasn't that expensive. You'll also need a sealer like this one. Make sure it's for outdoors. And I've got a pencil so I can write whatever I want to write on the rocks in pencil first, just in case I make a mistake. So I wrote the words down in pencil first, and now I'm going to use the marker to trace over it. On this one I wrote "Gone but not forgotten," and on that one I wrote "Forever in my heart." And I've got a infinity symbol with a heart on that one, and this one's got a cross on the side. Gotta shake those up first. I'm going to let the letters dry before I start tracing that cross over here. You could also paint the rocks with acrylic paint first before you write on them if you wanted to. Now it's time to put some sealer on it. Make sure you do it outside and put some cardboard underneath when you spray. So I gave them 3 coats of the sealer, so now they're done. These are nothing fancy. I realize some people make them a lot more fancy than that, but I just thought that's an easy project that pretty much anyone could do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my website at mywidowedheart.com, where I share my personal grief journey as well as helpful tips and information for dealing with grief and loss.